Hi, I'm Joe Fontenelle, the executive chef for the Sheraton New York Times Square. Today we're going to be talking about making some basic marinara sauce. So first we'll start out with the ingredients. Obviously we have some salt and pepper, we have some oregano, we have some dried chili flake, we have some fresh shredded basil, some garlic, sugar, some plum tomatoes, and Spanish onion. So we'll start with a little olive oil. Coat the bottom. Let that get a little warm. In go our onions. We're going to let that sweat. Now you want to let the onions get translucent. You don't want to brown them. So you might want to turn the heat down and just wait it out. Let them get nice and translucent so you can pull all the natural sugar flavor out of the onions. And as soon as that's done, you can add your garlic. So we'll add our garlic in. Now once the garlic goes in, you can turn the heat up a little bit because you want to kind of toast the garlic. What will happen is the garlic has a little bit more sugar in it than the onions do. So as the garlic will start to brown a bit and toast, just about the same time the onions will be done. So as soon as that's done, we're ready for the tomatoes. Okay, so then we'll pour our tomatoes in. Stir those around. Make a mess here. Get that all incorporated, and we want to bring it up to a simmer. So now we're up at a nice simmer. The sauce, marinara sauce shouldn't cook for more than 20 minutes, 30 minutes. You just want to combine all the flavors. So now we're going to add a pinch of oregano, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of sugar. Canned tomatoes, depending on the brand that you're purchasing, could be a little sweeter or a little bit more acidic. So depending, we use just a little bit of sugar to kind of compete with some of that acidity. And at the very end, once all that's incorporated, at the very end, you'll add your fresh shredded basil. That should just about do it. It's a very versatile sauce. You can use it with fish, with chicken, or just plain by itself. I'm Joe Fontenelle, the executive chef of the Sheraton New York Times Square.